Hey guys, this is Rishabh. I'm 28 and this is something of a first go for me. I've never made this kind of videos before, but I got a lot of courage from my roommate, Vijayan, who is starting his career as a vlogger as well. So I am here in Leh today. I am on a 6-day, 5-night stay via Trilophilia. And why Trilophilia? Because I didn't want to explore everything on my own. I wanted someone to guide me through this trip. But before coming here, I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube, and what I think one thing common is that Leh Ladakh trip is glorified like hell. First thing you always need to know is that it's not a luxury trip, especially if you're coming via bike. It's not a luxury trip. I would call it an adventure trip. So you have mindset with you that you cannot have that kind of enjoyment that you feel in Himachal. Okay, we are having going there and shopping, that all. You'll have those things, but in a different way. Next thing, you need to take care of acclimatization, which is basically when you're coming from a northern part or any part of India which is lower to sea level, like up to 1,000 feet. It will be different because the Leh is situated around 11,500 feet above the sea. So oxygen level is quite less. And when I say oxygen level is quite less, if you have your oximeter with you, like my roommate has, it might show levels up to like 65, 80. So that's something you might have to take care in mind, that drink a lot of water. 4 liters of water is something that is told again and again, recommended moreover. And keep ORS packets, tangy packets with you so that you can have a different taste as well as you have ionization with your water. Eat food which is according to your body. Don't use too much of spices because you have to stay here for a longer time. So I am here on a 25th September to around 1st October trip, and temperature is low now, and it goes up to 2 degrees or 1 degree in night in Leh. But as we go towards Pangong and other places, it might go up to -3, -4. So you need to keep warm clothes. Don't keep too much of warm clothes because you can repeat obviously, and keep optimal clothing with you. People who feel a little bit more cold can keep the thermals as well to be weared below the 3 layers as well as on the lower part. That will help you a lot. Few things which might make some youngsters as well as some midlife crisis people a little sad is that don't drink, don't smoke if you do, because you have to keep your lungs clean. Reason being that if you have your lungs clean, you will be able to have that oxygen at least so that you can travel. Otherwise, people have seen like around 7 deaths in the last 15 days because of not adjusting their bodies as well as losing the control of their bikes. So a lot of other things. I don't want to scare anyone, but this is something you need to keep in mind. You can have those fun in your own regions. You can go back and enjoy that life again. Please be here to be safe and have the adventure that you wanted, always wanted. I know many people have this dream destination to come to Leh Ladakh and enjoy their time. So please keep that in mind. It's my personal suggestion that you can have a stop for your liquor or smoking for 6 days or 7 days at least. Okay, coming to one point that is very much, I think, which videos I have seen in YouTube, that people are thinking that if you have RT-PCR with you or 2 doses, so if you had your second dose 14 days before your trip, you are good to go. You might not need to have the RT-PCR. I personally had my second dose on 5th of September, 20 days before the trip. Still, I was not clear. That's why I had my RT-PCR as well. But if you don't have either of the two, like second dose as well as RT-PCR, so one of the guys in my trip, he didn't had that with him. So, or if you have like less than 14 days of second dose, then when you come here, they have antigen test. And because first day anyways, you're staying in hotel only, so that your body adjusts to the temperature of Leh Ladakh. Then in that case, if antigen test comes as positive, then the trip is ruined for you. You have to take the next flight back, or you have to keep in hotel for the next 5 or 6 days. So that's something you need to take care. Okay, if you're coming via Trilophilia or some other adventure group, then have your RT-PCR before like 96 hours gap, and so that you know if you're positive or negative. Even if you come positive, it's not something to be worried about, because they will allow you to have that trip in next 1 year. Like that money that you have paid, it's not gone. You can have the trip obviously rescheduled, but obviously your flight tickets might go off. So it totally depends on how you plan things. I personally have taken the off flight, departure flight from Delhi, and I have not booked my return ticket as of now because the rates are actually same. So I'm going to book that at the last day of my, one day before the last day of my trip. Now you have three options to come here and enjoy, even if you're coming with an adventure company or if you're coming as alone. You have cars, you have dual rides as well as single ride bike. So prices vary. Single bike is a little bit on the upper side, then dual bike, and then your car. But depends on car as well. If you're coming via some Innova, that's lower than the second two sharing bike. But if you're coming in Fortuner or something like that, luxurious, little bit luxurious, then your prices might go a little bit high. So for single rider, if you're taking 350cc Bullet, it goes up to 25,000 for the 6 days and 5 night trip. So like there are several websites that can help you with cost. Moreover, the reason I am making this video is so that you know the other things, the dark side of this trip, because everybody is glorifying Leh like you're coming to the best place in the world. Definitely it can be if you take care of those points. Have a lot of water, have optimal food, don't drink, don't smoke, enjoy the trip, don't think too much. Also, one thing for the youth, it's not a place to like if you're coming here for what do you say, Tinder kind of world or getting chicks. It's not like that. Lot of families come here, lot of singles come here, as well as people in 40s and 50s come here. So most of the groups will be men, especially if you're coming for a bike trip. So keep that in mind. I don't want to discourage anyone, but this is something I think you should know. If you're planning to invest that kind of money, then you should know that your reasons should be right. So that's something I would like to tell. Okay guys, this is my first video, and it took some courage to do that, and this is my first go as well at a video. So just if I have done something wrong, pardon me. I'll be sharing some more videos of the trip on the bike, of the roads, because roads will be much better than the face I'm showing right now. So anyways, thank you guys. The reason for this video is to help you guys if you're planning to come, especially in the month of September. Alright, thank you guys. Bye.